Hi, I'm John Caswell, Regional Sales Director for Carousel Digital Signage. We're here at InfoComm 2026 to display Carousel Digital Signage and all that goes with it. Here we have a standard setup of a digital signage screen showing various zones, the ability to have weather and time and rotating content within the display. This display runs and Carousel runs on Amazon Signage Stick, Bright Sign, system on a chip systems like Philips and Sony, Samsung, and we're constantly working to increase the number of solutions that Carousel will run on, as Carousel is a software-only signage solution. We provide very high level of enterprise level functionality and support to facilitate the use of digital signage to meet individual groups' communication needs and their overall communication strategy. Digital signage is widely used by higher education and corporations for both standard information, upcoming meetings, training sessions. Oftentimes universities will yoke the digital signage solution to an emergency notification system, which will instantaneously send an emergency message to the digital signage, letting students and faculty know if there's a fire, a lockdown, or some sort of weather emergency. We've been in business for almost 30 years and are a market leader in digital signage CMS. Again, Carousel is a software-only solution that runs on any number of different types of system-on-a-chip solutions on screens and dedicated media players that facilitate the use of digital signage, both the life cycling of your content, creating content, and utilizing it throughout your institution. You can look up anything about Carousel Digital Signage at carouselsignage.com. And again, my name is John Caswell. I represent Carousel Signage from the US and in our Canadian operations. We welcome a chance to talk to you about your signage needs.